Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is on Iaido Warm-Up Kata number 4. This is a walking kata. We're going to be starting by taking 3 steps forward. We are thinking in terms of 4 opponents here. 1 to your right, 1 to your left, 1 front, and 1 coming up behind. Yeah, this is a situation where you are being ambushed. Now we'll have a look at this from the front and then from the side. First time through, we'll take it fairly slowly and we'll talk a bit about what it is we are doing here. Second time through, we'll take it a little more quickly. Horizontal cut here, facing off to the right, then pivoting left, I'm stepping through here, overhead cut, then I'm bringing the sword in close with the mené, the blunt back of the sword in toward me, the edge out away, dropping it down horizontally here about chest high, again, edge outward, with my hands and arms held in well against me. We're not extending way out here. We're tucked in here. We're turning to the front, horizontal cut. Then I'm pivoting back behind me, overhead cut. I'm pivoting back to the front, overhead cut. Chudan no kamae. Chiburi, and Noto. And then back to where we started. All right, let's have a look at that again a little more quickly. Warm-up kata number 4. Very good. Now let's have a look at this from the side. Again, first time through, we'll take it fairly slowly, talk about what we're doing. Second time through, we'll take it a little bit faster. 1, 2, and on my third step, I'm turning right, horizontal cut here, and I want my point to be on my own center line. I want to be careful I'm not letting it sail away from me here. Then, we're pivoting to our left, step through, overhead cut, sword comes up, then lay it down horizontally, pivoting toward the front, horizontal cut, then I'm pivoting toward the back, overhead cut, and then pivoting back toward the front, overhead cut, Chudan no kamae, middle guard, Chiburi, and then we Noto. And then back to where we began. All right, let's take that one again. is Iaido Warm-Up Kata number 4. Again, we're thinking in terms of 4 opponents, right, left, front, and back. Thank you very much for joining me.